Welcome to our daily routine vocabulary and sentences video. Today, we'll dive into the daily activities we all do every day, from waking up to going to bed. Let's learn and practice together to improve our English skills and fluency. Are you ready? Let's get started. Wake up. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. Get out of bed. I get out of bed and stretch to start my day. Brush teeth. After breakfast, I brush my teeth to keep them clean. Take a shower. I take a shower before going to work. Get dressed. I get dressed in my favorite outfit for the day. Have breakfast. I have breakfast with my family every morning. Go to work or school. I go to work by bus. Start work. I start work at 9 a.m. and finish at 5 p.m. Have lunch. I have lunch at a nearby restaurant. Work or study. During the afternoon, I work on my assignments. Return home. I return home tired but happy. Exercise. I exercise at the gym to stay healthy. Cook dinner. I cook dinner for my family in the evening. Eat dinner. We eat dinner together and discuss our day. Relax. After dinner, I relax by watching TV. Read a book. Before bedtime, I like to read a book. Go to bed. I go to bed around 10 p.m. Wash face. I wash my face with cold water to refresh myself. Pack lunch. I pack my lunch before leaving for work. Check emails. I check my emails first thing in the morning. Commute to work or school. I travel to work using the train. Attend meetings or classes. I attend meetings in the morning and classes in the afternoon. Take breaks. I take short breaks during work to relax. Water plants. I water plants in the evening to keep them healthy. Clean the house. I clean the house every weekend. Do laundry. I do laundry twice a week. Pay bills. I pay bills online at the beginning of the month. Grocery shopping. I go grocery shopping on Sundays. Plan schedule. I plan my schedule for the week on Sunday evenings. Check social media. I check social media before going to bed. Listen to music. I listen to music while commuting. Practice hobbies. I practice painting as a hobby. Meet friends. I meet my friends for coffee on weekends. Watch movies. I watch movies with my family on Fridays. Travel. I travel to different places during vacations. Study languages. I study Spanish in the evenings. Volunteer. I volunteer at a local charity once a month. Meditate. I meditate to relax my mind. Reflect on the day. Before sleeping, I reflect on my day. Say good night. I say good night to my family before going to sleep. Charge phone. I charge my phone overnight. Do homework. I do my homework before dinner. Feed pets. I feed my pets before having breakfast. Make coffee. I make coffee as soon as I wake up in the morning. Take a walk. I take a walk in the park to relax after work. Read the news. I read the news to stay updated with current events. Listen to a podcast. I listen to a podcast during my commute. Set reminders. I set reminders for important tasks on my phone. Take a power nap. I take a power nap to recharge in the afternoon. Check messages. I check my messages on my phone in the morning. Brew tea. I brew a cup of tea to start my day.